Hello everyone. There's one simple, subtle, and seemingly unnoticed habit that we all have that is, first of all, damaging our physical health, and on top of that, it is hampering with our ability to think clearly and creatively. What is that habit? Well, that is sitting at one place for a long period of time. We all know that, and science has also proven the fact that when we sit at one place for a long period of time without giving our body some movement, it can have really bad effects on our body and mind. Sure, sitting for some time is good. It can help us relax and it can help us in a lot of ways. But sitting for a long period of time is where the problem begins. A lot of times, because of this whole lifestyle that we all have, the lifestyle of sitting and working on a laptop or a computer, and especially the work from home scene, everything has in a way programmed us, all of us, to have this habit of sitting and just working and not standing up and giving our body some movement at all. The thing is, our human body is meant for movement. Considering the amount of joints that we have in our body and the amount of movements or the different movements that we can do, our bodies are basically meant for movement. When we were hunters, our body needed movement so that we could hunt and do all those other things. But nowadays we are not really using our bodies to the fullest. And what will happen if there's a machine with a particular function that is not being used and is kept idle? Obviously it will degrade, and that is what is happening with our body when we are seated for a long period of time. Our bodily functions actually go for a toll. Just to name a few, first of all, there is not enough proper blood circulation in our body, and because of that, all our organs don't get enough oxygen and blood flow. And talking about that, obviously the brain will also not get enough oxygen, and that is the reason why when we are seated for a long period of time, eventually our ability to think creatively and clearly diminishes, and our brain starts to experience this fatigue that is actually hampering our concentration. Well, I'm sure all of us know that being seated for a long period of time isn't good for us, but just consider this video a gentle reminder for all of us to just take this seriously and to give movement priority every now and then, every once in a while, whenever we work. The best thing we could do is set reminders in, say, every 30 minutes or so that reminds us to do a few stretches or walk a few steps across the hall or something like that. Even if we are someone who exercises in the morning, if we are seated the rest of the day doing our work, just typing on that laptop, that still is bad for us. The exercise in the morning doesn't cover up for the rest of the day. So we have to make sure that we have these pockets within the day wherein we are giving ourselves some kind of movements. Whenever we are seated for too long, deep within us, our body is actually crying for help, for us to get up and do something that involves movement. Now, we've been ignoring these cries and warnings from our body for so long. Now it's high time that we start listening to this and we don't let our body cry like this when we are seated for too long. Talking about this whole being seated for a long period of time habit, I'd also like to mention the importance or the benefits of giving yourself movement every once in a while. It's just the opposite of staying seated all the time. Your body gets enough blood circulation and your brain and other organs get enough oxygen, and that can help you think creatively, clearly, and can also help you focus and concentrate more. Just as a matter of fact, Steve Jobs, the visionary that we've all known, was known to have a particularly weird habit. What was that habit? Well, whenever he was at work, he never used to sit down. Yes, you heard that right. He was always seen walking around the Apple campus, even when he was having meetings or when he was brainstorming. Maybe that's the reason behind his creative ideas and his revolutionary products. Who knows? But then there's no harm for us to try this out. Giving our body movement once in a while can really get those creative instincts and that clear thinking ability within us pumping in our brains. So that's important. So that was pretty much it for this video. Now, as you can see, I've been sitting for quite some time while recording this video. So it's time that I, stand up and do some stretches and some movements. So I'll go do that now. I hope you've enjoyed enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you were seated while watching this video, go ahead, stand up and do some movements. It's good for all of us. I'll see you soon in another video. Until then, take care.